At the moment we're just talking about investments, and what we're talking about is working on this concept of how investments are handled. And one thing that's just happened is that we've had a massive retail redevelopment happen just next door to our office, and I won't name names of the company that's done it, but they've done an amazing job, which is really exciting. But what we were just chatting about is, well, where do they access that capital? And so what's happening in a lot of economies is we're looking at superannuation funding as a source of capital. And what's really interesting is the question came up, well, where do they get access to that capital? Are they like flush with cash? And the answer to that question is no, they're not. But what they do is they offer an amazing opportunity for investment. So obviously bricks and mortar are a really good place to put your money. So yes, you might buy shares, but that shares is shares in bricks and mortar, so investment in property. And these guys have a really good model on cash return per square metre. So in terms of, what's my point here? My point here is more around how do they present this compelling opportunity for investment, and they do that from a sustainability perspective. So what they're looking at is they're saying, we've got this really great opportunity for you, and what we can show you through history and through prevention strategies is that there's going to be good return into the future. So you can make an investment, you can feel confident in us as a place to park your money, if you like. And so one of the things that best practice gets involved in, and here's the segue to relate it to us, is that with our assessments, our business assessments, organisations that have systems in place, systems to manage risk, have an opportunity to forecast more sustainable results into the future. So if you're nervous about an organisation, if you're nervous about your organisation, having a robust system of risk management in place, a quality system, an environment system, a safety system, a data security system, you're forecasting where you might be in terms of what you can look at. You're forecasting your risks, you're forecasting the things that might go wrong, and you're starting to say to yourself, well, this is what we're going to do about it, and you're anticipating those things, you're training your people, you're covering your bases in case things go wrong. And so in the unlikely event then, because you've anticipated it, that things do go wrong, you've also put emergency preparedness and prevention strategies in place. So from that perspective, with the right amount of effort and the right amount of investment, you can forecast your results, and that is really exciting.